Did you know Facebook stores a complete history of your activity? Your comments, reactions, posts, reels, and even saved items are all tracked. Most users never check these settings, and that's a big mistake. Today, I'll show you how to review your own Facebook activity safely. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, safe, and privacy-focused Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, check your Facebook activity log. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone and sign into your account. Make sure the app is updated so all features appear correctly. Stay on the home screen after opening it. Now we'll move into your profile settings. Step 2. Open your profile icon from the top section of the app. This brings you directly to your personal profile page. Look for the three-dot menu near your profile options. Open it to reveal advanced settings. Step 3. Select Activity Log from the menu. This section stores your complete Facebook history. You can review actions connected to your account here. Everything is organized into categories. Step 4. Open your Facebook activity inside Activity Log. From here, you can manage comments, reactions, and posts. You'll also see watched videos and tagged content. This helps you stay aware of your activity. If this privacy guide is helping you, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more safe and smart Facebook tutorials. Your support helps the channel grow. Step 5. Explore sections like saved items, messages activity, groups, reels, and stories. These areas show what you've saved, posted, or interacted with over time. You can clean or review your activity anytime you want. This keeps your account organized and secure. Boom! Now you're in full control of your Facebook activity. Regularly checking your activity log is one of the smartest privacy habits you can build. It helps you understand and manage your digital footprint. If this video helped you, subscribe and comment below for more Facebook privacy, security, and smart usage tips. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.